Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to Mr. TECHFOX. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Telegram on your MacBook. This is pretty simple. I'll show you two different methods. The first one is downloading it from the App Store. It's pretty easy and simple. Normally you have to open the App Store and search on the search bar Telegram. But before searching, make sure that you have logged in with your Apple ID and password. And from here, you can install this Telegram button by pressing on this update or get button. On the other hand, if you want to download it from an external source, you can open your web browser. And normally you have to search here Telegram download for Mac. And now click on this Telegram for macOS from the official website of telegram.org. Now click on this get Telegram for macOS. And it's gonna download a file. Normally you have to install this file after downloading. That's pretty cool, pretty simple. Here you can see that my native speed is pretty slow, so I'm not gonna wait for it. So after downloading, you have to install it easily. So that's all about today's video, how you can download and install Telegram on your macOS. Just choose the option that suits for it. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.